Why do men always break up with me? Hello ladies and welcome to Love Advice TV. I'm Alex Cormont, your relationship expert. And today I want to explain to you the male psychology. Why do men always break up with you? But before to tell you everything about men, I want to explain to you something really important. As human beings, we are always acting by habit. What do that mean? That we will always look for the same situation even when we don't have the result that we want. So ladies, sometimes you will look at the same type of men, the same type of relationship. But the problem is they will not bring you happiness. They will not help you to be happy, and also they will not bring you serenity, which is really important. We want to be zen. So, why do men always break up with me? Number one reason, and I'm always talking about that, but you need to understand, please, ladies, there is a balance of power in a relationship. And men, they will do everything to make sure that you will be in love. This is our main goal. I'm so sorry to tell you, but this is the truth. When a man will meet you, his first goal is to make sure that you will be in love. So he will tell you everything that you want to hear. He will do everything that you want him to do. But once you're in love, then he will think that you're not enough a challenge. So number one reason why men do break up, it's because you're not enough a challenge. They will not think she's on a pedestal. They will know that you are now chasing them, that you are now following them. And this is something that we need to stop right now. Okay, ladies? Sounds good. Because they always need to be fighting for you. So you will ask me, Alex, how long do I have to play the game? It's boring, it's annoying. I know it, but you need to always be the challenge. That means when a man has to fight for you, you will never, I said never, have a breakup. So it's time now to not fall in love so fast. It's time now to not be always too nice to a man. He has to prove you that he is stable, emotionally stable. Okay? So number one, it's because you're not enough a challenge. Number two is because this man is not emotionally stable. So the good news, it's not your fault. It's his fault, his situation. And he will just reproduce the same pattern over and over with women. So you need to understand that when a man is acting like this, that means he's so in love, he do everything for you, and then he stopped. That's because he is also unstable. And a lot of men, they are trying to find happiness and they don't know how. So they find happiness just by loving someone at the beginning of the relationship. So it's not just your fault, and you need to understand that. It's really important, but you have to do the right choice when it comes to the future and the next relationships. Another advice that I want to give you, be careful when it's too fantastic. You know, at the beginning, it's like a fairy tale. You are really enjoying the present moment. And this is what we want. But we are not building a relationship on the beginning, okay? We are building a relationship based on our personality and the way we will work together to maintain the relationship and the love, okay? So what do you have to understand from these words? A lot of women that I have coached, they are so in love during a couple of weeks, and then the men will always leave them because they didn't find someone where they could really build something together. We are attracted physically, emotionally, we are living the present moment, but we are not talking about what we want for the future. And most of the situation, you are not talking about your boundaries. So I have seen some women asking me, Alex, I want this guy, but he just wants casual relationship. He just wants sex. And I asked them, did you tell him what you want? They answered, no, I was scared to lose him. I was afraid to lose him. If you have some fears, they will happen. Okay? So if you have the fear to lose him, that will happen. It's really important for you to be confident to set your boundaries. That doesn't mean that he has to be like you want, okay? He has his own personality. But if you cannot tell what you want because you're scared to lose him, you will lose him anyways. Because you will not be a challenge, he will not be fighting for you, you will not have a relationship based on the pleasure and also on the project. And this is why today I'm doing this video. Because I can help you to change your love life. If you are wondering yourself, why do men always break up with me? Am I the problem? No, you're not the problem. But you need to accept that love is not like Walt Disney or Hollywood. Love has changed and you need a relationship expert. You need me. We can do a really good work together. If you have some question about your situation, you can just ask me all of your questions in the comments below and I will be here with my team to answer every single question. Please give me a like and also subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. We can change your situation. We can build a really strong relationship. You deserve happiness, but you will have to change your bad habits. You will have to change the way you choose your men, okay? And then I can guarantee you that we will have results. We will have happiness into your love life. And you will never, never, never experience a man that will break up with you. I will see you soon for a new video. If you want to book a coaching session, come on withmyexagain.com/coaching and I will be your relationship expert. See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.